Yes, it's me again.
Yeah.
And I'm back.
Why don't you run the knees? She said she wants to take me away. I said she wants to take me away. I said she wants to show me the way. Baby, don't play no games.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video, and it is about another hair review, and it's about this Barbie blonde that I'm rocking today. But yeah, you guys, before we get right into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you're new, welcome. And don't forget to turn on that post notification so you know when I post my videos. But yeah, you guys, let's get right into the video. Okay, so starting off, you guys, if you can't tell, I'm already living like with this blonde. I am really picky when it comes to blonde hair because it just has to be perfect. It just has to be perfect. Has to be the perfect tone. The roots have to be on point, or I won't rock it because I don't want to be out here looking crazy. But don't get it twisted. Us brown skin girls, dark skin girls can rock all of this. Okay, getting right into it, this hair is from Samsbeauty. Thank you, Samsbeauty, as always, for sending me this unit. So let's get right into the specs of this unit. This unit is by Sensationnel. Honestly, I'm starting to really know the different brands that I really like on Samsbeauty, and Sensationnel is definitely one of them because they always get their units 100% right. This is their supermodel series, and this is the Swiss Lake silk based lace frontal wig, and it is 100% human hair and hybrid mix. So you can wash this hair, you can flat iron this hair, do all of that. Now, my favorite thing about this hair that I will say is, first of all, the tone of the hair. It has it has the brown, a little bit of black, but it also has different shades of blonde, and I'm going to come closer so you guys can see what that looks like. I'm just gonna turn the brightness down just a little bit. If you can see, I'm giving you guys like Little Kim realness right now. Like, I just love the way they did the contrast and the ombre on this hair. I just love it. The color that I got it in is T4, 27, and 613. So basically, if you guys can see that, but yeah, so basically it has those different tones of blonde. It has a 613, it has a 27 in it, which is bomb. And since it is a lace frontal, it already comes with baby hairs, you guys. Already ready for you. I didn't have to do anything. I just gelled it up. And it has a comb in the back, and it has two on the side, and the way that they did the cap was so unique. I've never seen it done before. They have a picture of it right here. Hold on, if you guys can see. I'm gonna turn my brightness down again. If you guys can see the way they did the mesh right here. So they basically put like a brown, nice skin tone on it. So basically when you put the wig on your head, it's already gonna have like a nice color on the lace. The other thing about this lace front that I really love, when it first came, it did come a little bit more extra curly, just like this girl right here. If you guys can see, her curls are a little bit, you know, like glamour, very tight. I don't really like that on me. I don't really like that tight type of curl on me. So what I did, I just took my flat iron and I basically just flat ironed it a little bit more down so it can be more of a loose wave, because I don't really like the whole tight curl. I just can't, you guys. Just, it's not my style. The other thing that I do like about this lace front is that you can part it whichever. Let's get right into this 6x4. The 6x4 parting, limitless parting, you guys. Basically you can part this hair anywhere you want, literally anywhere you want. Like, you can move it to the side, like, you can do whatever you want, you guys. Like, this wig, you guys, I'm just gonna comb it. Like, look, it's just so pretty. Also, the name of this hair is called Kiana. Kiana is definitely a beautiful girl. It's a beautiful wig. I just love it. Like, I just feel like a Barbie with this hair. I just love it so much, and I've been getting so much good feedback from it, and honestly, it's definitely one of my favorite units. But this definitely passed the test, and I would definitely say to cop this hair if you're looking for a nice blonde, especially if you're a chocolate girl and you're on budget. I believe this is, I think, about in the 50 to 60s. Now for shedding, I'm definitely getting minimal shedding. I'm not getting that much. The lace feels so good. It's not that hard lace. It feels so nice. It melts into your hair. And the parting, all I did was put concealer because I always do that with all my units. Or you can also put powder or your foundation. Doesn't matter. Just your choice. Like always, I will have all the information down below and the link to this hair. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.